Hi, my name is Sachin Amarnath. I'm the founder and managing director of Academy for Construction Excellence, a higher educational institution which basically focuses on construction management. My institute is basically located in Yelahanka, Bangalore. I am a very proud SVITian. So I graduated from the Department of Civil Engineering in the year 2016, and my memory with my experience with SVIT as an institution has been absolutely brilliant, because SVIT did not just give me a degree, which obviously you expect from any institute, but SVIT gave me a lot of platforms in order to groom myself as a leader. Right from being a coordinator in our academic, in our annual fest Sanchalana, from being to being a technical coordinator in a technical fest, and then right after that, during my final year, I was also the placement coordinator for from the Department of Civil Engineering. So what it gave me was basically different platforms for me to explore myself and look within and develop my skills as a leader, with able mentorship from all the lecturers from my department, my HOD Professor Leela Daresh, to my principal Dr. H.S. Ramesh Babu, and to my director Mr. Professor M.R. Hulla. So this institute is being ably headed by a group of visionaries who have achieved a lot in academics, and which has invested all its resources in the right way, where it is to be focused on the student development. So a lot of what I do today was basically inspired by what I studied or learned in my college. So I will always remain a proud SVITian, and I would like to especially thank SVIT for giving me all the opportunities, all the platforms, and helping me shape my career in a way which where basically I can take on the world. Right? So I would recommend SVIT to any student who is looking forward to joining the institute. No matter how much you've scored in CET, of course there's a cutoff, but then no matter how much you've scored, even if it's 100 rank, you can still consider SVIT as one of the options to fuel your career. Thank you so much.